All right, let's get this started. So basically, what I'm looking at is let's see this. All right. Uh, basically, I'm looking at price trend. I'm looking to push up. You got this imbalance right here. Price we closed underneath this, with through this fair value gap and this imbalance, right? And then from there, you can see we didn't close underneath it. Price, the body actually stayed above it. The wick did the damage, body stayed above it. Monday we open up very bullish. Tuesday, was a bank holiday, so you don't really expect too much from this. We get like, take out the high and then stay within Monday's range, right? And then Tuesday we actually start to break above, with this halfway point of the wick, right? We actually hit it and taking this high. So I don't know. I mean, I'm leaning towards price wants to go higher. Maybe we could actually come back here because we actually gonna close. We just like a small little wick to it. Maybe. See, maybe if you want to see a price wants to come up in here, this high slash, this fair value gap low right here, the sell side, buy side imbalance fair value gap right here. So maybe if you want to see price wants to come and reach up into here, but yeah, I'm leaning towards the buy side right now. This is the daily right here. This is the daily high right here. And honestly, if we close underneath here, right, then I'll be looking for this. Then we also got these lows right here. So as long as honestly we can stay above this level, it's 15-minute fair, or at least to stay within it. I think we could probably maybe try to reach up here one more time. This is a 5-minute prayer where you got right here. This right here. Going to see if maybe price wants to I gotta adjust this. There we go. Yeah. I mean, this is the area I'm looking to see price wants to respect. If we could respect this area right here, then I could see price might be coming back up into here. So we gotta wait and see though. It's the area because if we flip this, then I'm looking for like here, around there. Yeah, for like these lows, you can pick something off right here, something like that. Actually, I'm not really trading on my main account. This is just I'm gonna trade I want to just really click a quit funded I'm passive funded Apex account right now. I'm not using it on my funded it's tomorrow. Oh wow. They actually removed CPI or CPI and PPI. I thought it was tomorrow. I guess they removed it this morning. Yeah, I was looking at probably like 2 a.m. They had it and then now it's not here no more. All right. And in the world. Been at the world. All right, shall we wait? We got a minute left for the news opening. A few seconds left for the news opening. Here we go. All right, looks like we might go for the low. Full on one shot. And then we just took it out. And there's more loads that we have. Probably come back into this imbalance right here. The previous week. Not previous week, but this is October. Yeah, October 27th. Imbalance. Yeah, ever since we took the daily high, price didn't have any more work that I've actually won or anything like that. Oh, let's be patient. No, purple super already got printed yet. Remember, the little part of the candle should include 930. This part of the candle right here is including 930 right here. But still, even though it's not the first with the fair value gap, you still have to like pay attention to it. It's not like you ignore it. But I'm not gonna use that to trade. That's not gonna be like I'm gonna use to get into a trade. Just be patient. There's still some more sell side down here, like before the halfway point of the what is it? It's actually yeah, wow. It's actually, oh, um, nothing yet. Nothing yet at all. So just wait. Gotta be patient. Right now, we're still waiting for the fair to after the fair value gap to form. Nothing yet. And also, we don't want to chase price. That is not what we do. This has really dropped down considerably since the opening on theory. I'm gonna go from the high. Basically, like yeah, like just about a little bit over 100 handles. Alright, so we can wait. Still nothing yet. We gotta be patient and wait. Hmm, Still nothing through the roof yet.
Hello?
Oh,
Okay, hello?
yeah, hello.
Yeah,
What about the meeting?
Stay in the
stay in the
car. Give me
car.
some.
Give me some.
I can't
I
hear
can't hear
because I can't
because I
hear
can't
because
hear
I
when
have my
because I have my
AirPods in, so I can
AirPods
hear
in, so I
myself
can hear myself
clearer
clearer
on my live
on
stream.
my live stream.
Did we take this liquidity?
Yes, we took a
Yes, we
few
took a few
liquidity. Are you looking
liquidity.
for
I was
buy
looking for
side,
buy side,
but
but
we flipped
we
this right
flipped
here
this right
instead of
here
this
instead of
fair
Hold
this
value
up,
fair
gap. We
hold
value
up,
gap.
flipped
hold
this
We
up, hold
flipped
up.
this
completely.
completely.
So now I'm
So
looking
now I'm
actually for
looking
this
actually
sell
for
side,
this sell
but
side,
I'm
but
waiting for
I'm
the
waiting for
let me
the
know
let
my
me
how
know
I
my
trade the
how I
first
trade the
fair value
first
gap,
fair
which is
value
the
gap,
one
which is the one
directly after
directly
9:30.
after
Even though yeah,
9:30.
this
Even though
one
yeah,
these are fair
these
value
are
gaps,
fair value
but
gaps,
it's
but it's
at
at
9:30. Or even this one,
9:30. Or
see this
even this one, see this
9:31, but the
9:31, but
first to
the
see the
first to
first
see the
candle of the
first
fair
candle
value
of the
gap
fair value gap
includes
includes
9:30, so we
9:30,
can't
so
use
we
them.
can't use them.
So you're looking at 936 or
So I'm just
934?
looking.
I'm just looking. The first
The
the
first
first
fair
fair
value
value
gap
gap
I
that's
know,
that's
I
printed.
see
printed.
it.
No, I'm just.
No,
It
I'm
hasn't
just. It
printed yet.
hasn't printed yet.
I'm looking for the
I'm looking
first
for
one
the
to
first
get
one to
printed
get
after
printed
9. Because
after
you can see
9.
this
Because
one
you see, this
includes
one
it. You know, fair
includes
value.
it in
Even
the
though
fair
it
value,
looks
even though it
weird
looks
from here.
weird from
This
here.
is
This
part
is
of
a
this fair
part of
value
this
gap.
fair value gap.
See from here to
See from
here,
here to here,
and this is see
and
S
this is see S
930 in it. Do
930
you
in
understand
it.
what
Do
I'm
you
saying?
understand what I'm
This
saying?
candle has
This candle
930
has
Wait,
in it.
are you
930 in it.
showing me something right now?
Oh, bruh,
Oh, bruh.
I figured all the
I figured
time.
out the term.
All right, so
All
here we
right, so
go.
Oh, look at the Nasdaq, bro.
That's the
that's
only
the
thing I
only thing I
trade.
trade.
So yeah, right
So
here.
yeah,
So
right
this
here.
is
So
Wait,
see
wait, wait,
this
wait,
is
wait.
this is
You can speak.
so right here.
right
This
here.
is
This is
actually the
actually
first
the
fair value
first
gap,
fair
but we're
value
not
gap, but we're
using
not
this
using
because
this
it's at
because it's at
9:30. We're
9:30.
looking for
We're
the
looking
first
for the
one
first one
after
after
9:30, and
9:30.
even
And
this one.
even
You
this
say
one,
I
you
could
say
use
I could
this or
use this or
9:31.
9:31.
No, it's
No, it's
because
because
this
this
candle you see this
candle,
part
you
of the
see
fair
this part of
value
the
gap,
fair value
right?
gap,
Is
right?
Mm-hmm.
included
Is
with
included with
9:30, so we
9:30.
can't
So
use
we
this one
can't use
either.
this one either.
So right now
So
we
right
can
now we
really
can
put
really put
whatever the
whatever
next
the
fair value
next fair
gap that
value
gets
gap that
printed
gets
will be
printed will be
the
the
first
first
presented fair
presented
value
fair
gap.
value gap.
So that's
So
basically
that's
what I'm
basically
waiting
what
for
I'm
right
waiting
now
for right
for a
now
fair
for a
value gap
fair
to
value
get
gap to get
printed.
printed.
If nothing
If
happens, I don't
I
trade
don't
unless
trade unless
the first
the first
presented fair
presented
value
fair
gap
value gap
gets
gets
made.
made.
Otherwise, I
Otherwise, I
literally don't
literally don't
trade
trade
until then.
until then.
So I'm just
I'm
waiting
just
for that
waiting for
right
that
now.
right now.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
like I
because
said,
like I
I'm
said, I'm
looking
looking
since we
since we
flipped this,
flipped
right?
this, right? Like
I was gonna
I
look
was
for
gonna look for
buys,
buys,
but we
but
flipped. As long as
as
we
long as
stayed
we
above
stayed
here,
above
but
here,
we
but we
clearly
clearly
flipped it as
flipped it
soon
as
as
soon as
9:30
9:30
opened. So
opened.
that
So that
flipped
flipped my
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 short-term
short term
bias.
bias.
Maybe we could
Maybe we
get
could
down
get
into
down into
here.
here.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
me to
for me
get
to get
long
long
again, we have
again,
to
we have to
flip here
flip
though.
here though.
We have to
You have
flip
to
this
flip this
area,
area,
which is
which is
also a
also a
15 minute
15 minute
disaster
disaster
right
right
here.
here.
That would be
That
the
would be the
only way for
only way
me
for me
to get
to get
long.
long. And
I'm
I'm
not
not
trading my
trading my
real
real
accounts. I'm
accounts.
just
I'm just
living my
living my
demo.
demo.
I'm trying
I'm
to see
trying
if I
to see
can
if I can
pass
pass
another
another
account right
account right
now.
now.
Apex
Apex
is a
is a
little
little
weird. I
weird.
could
I could
still
still
like my
my
trade could
trade could
still be
still be
fine,
fine,
but
but
the entry
entry
gate
gate
drawdown
drawdown
could
could
have
have
messed
messed
me
me
up.
up.
It is what it is. So I mean, this could probably be it. If I mean, if the others with this solar candle weird.
Trades like this, I would like not take, and it's because I would think we're like kind of already low.
Because I mean, there's still more liquidity that can be taken, so there's nothing wrong with this at all. The only thing that you can say about this, maybe we're too low. It could retrace, but look how strong price is. Like I don't even know if I'm gonna even get an entry actually. Okay, but definitely okay. This is actually gonna be the first one 5 bracket. If we can get back up there, I'm definitely gonna take it. I definitely would take a sell.
Is there news?
No, like I said, if we get back, I'm 1000% set. I just don't know if we're gonna get back up into that.
I think it's only like after 10.
No, I completely switched that. I only trade first presented fair value gaps, which is basically like after 9:30. I'm usually always done before 10 actually.
Because I was confused. I was confused that it's like, but Switch said it's still in the can. I was gonna say, does that mean even that the first presented fair value gap is closed and the next candle is the next of it, like couple of
If anything on that candle, right? You know how there's a three candle pattern, like right? If any part of that three candle pattern has 9:30 in it, you can't use it.
that are closed space. I don't think this is complicated. I don't think.
What am I looking at? Okay, hold on. I'm not gonna put a stop or anything, but if I would did to trade, this would be like my kind of trade right here. So like
Stop.
literally right above
Right above the fair value.
this one, yeah.
Maybe my stop's like too close. Because I would put it right above that fair value that you have marked out. Where you want to enter.
Price might drop. The Loki kind of see a drop there. But I Loki would have entered here. I just wanted to wait a little bit more. I don't want to enter here yet either, because just in case price comes back up here. I'm gonna just try it. The only reason I'm trying it because I think we're gonna just go down and hit it.
That's what I mean. Because sometimes, I mean, before I
Like
thought
the only reason I wouldn't have entered this on my real accounts.
I've seen you take the trade like, say like on the wick, like on the highest wick on the blue candle.
Oh, hold on. I might get stopped. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped. If price doesn't drop, yeah, that's it.
Okay, can I say what else?
No, I'm trying to see if we can come back from here. What you trying to show me?
Hold on. Look, I want to put it there. Here. Okay. Look at this. You see how this is formed at 9:30? And then if I was talking about this, I'm like, so this wouldn't count since it's technically like next to it. That's what
No,
I'm
it
saying.
would count. It would count. See, I knew it was gonna drop. I couldn't. Yeah, we just dropped. No entry. I entered. I mean, like I said, this is Apex. Apex is a trailing draw, so if you're up a little bit, it's just that's a little rough. I knew we were gonna drop. I
This one, I've seen you take a trade like this before. I don't know if it trades this now, but
so I just showed you how this literally this would have been my trade. It just there's really no entry. The price never even came.
could have been down. And once the candle breaks stuff, I've seen it sell or like buy right here.
Yeah, it's going into the fair value gap. Yeah.
So
Yeah, I mean, this just sucks. Like, there's literally no entry at all. I mean, unless you entered here, but this would have been such a high entry that I would have been terrible. Even here, maybe the closest thing was this. This is a small little imbalance, but I really would have thought maybe we just at least would have touched there. But price is so strong right now.
answer.
Yes, yes, I definitely have. It is. I mean, I said, yes, I definitely have entered like that before. But this would have been the best one, like the most cleanest. You see, like, this is just my eval. Trying to see if I can pass and add another one to my, no, it's just an eval. Like the only reason I use Ninja Trader is to copy my accounts. That's literally the only reason why I use it. So I can't trade like six accounts in one. Though I'm gonna press buy and then switch over, then press buy, then switch over, and then how much work that is.
Yep.
The only reason why I use it is just to copy my trade. John said he was gonna get up. He said, "Yeah, I promise I'm gonna get up," and no, he's not up. Damn. I mean, like, at least I outlined exactly how I wanted the trade to go. Even if like I said, I wouldn't have like a trade. Or maybe I could have like if I entered here, I probably still would have been on the trade. My stop loss would have been like above here. Like I said, this is where my stop loss would have been. But it's alright. There's no entry.
No, yesterday was a hell of a day. I did not know that. I was confused. I thought you were doing work.
There's no it's other than we're dropping massively. Create another huge fair value gap right here. Price actually hit this fair value gap, but I don't like that. So your stop would have to be all the way up here.
Alright, I have to go since you have to do the first. I'll be back.
Hey sir, put a timer at 10. Yeah, if I don't get nothing by 10, I'll just walk away at this point. This price is already so far extended towards the downside. I really don't want to force any kind
Order
of,
filled.
especially like since they're with CPI and PPI, my gosh, like really getting about the volatility that I'm waiting to trade this week.
connection.
When I see price coming into a small fair value gap, mm, I don't want to take this one. Too small for me. I mean, the price could very well drop. It just, I'm not, we're already so far extended down. I want to like, yeah, I don't wanna force this one. Maybe you come back here, take this high out and drop again. Maybe I'll consider that. This, yeah, I definitely don't want to take this one right again. A few more minutes till 10. By the time it goes up. Give me one more minute. That's a few seconds. Actually. There's a 5 minute fair value gap. Right. Yeah, yeah. I'm curious to see how price reacts to this level. Maybe shoot through it and come up here. Going into this fair value gap right here. Bullish fair value gap. If it will flip, possibly go for the lows, possibly. If you stay strong, flip above, probably going into the flip into fair value gap. Dropping down into this part, just go over you got once more. Just wait for the close. I'll try it out. If it could only if it could close a decent close, not like half a point close or something like a quarter point close. I want to see a full close. If not, then I don't. There's nothing. So if you get above there, then that will end me looking at the market. I think I'll trade, man. 'Cause I do want to sell. I like this sell. At the same time, I'm not gonna force it if it's not there. Looks like we're definitely gonna close above it. This also doesn't look like a terrible buy. There's nothing really stopping price until building up to the 50% to fair value gap at all. Yeah, this does not do it for me. This does not do it for me. Price shoots up, if it's here, so be it. This close does not do it for me. Been in a lot of trades that makes a tiny little close like that, and won't do it for me.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Drop down. Maybe we could try to come hit here. No price is no for that.
Order canceled.
Honestly, I didn't think that was too bad of a trade. But here, hopefully, look at the price to probably hit here.
Order submitted.
We want to see price can drop. There's some speed and velocity right now. I really would not want to see price, yeah, above that fair value gap. I really would want to see if we could keep and stay underneath it. If it's showing like, some strength. So I feel like we've done enough. We came, took out some highs, it dropped down, created a fair value gap, closed underneath, it flipped one. I would really prefer to see a price can stay underneath here, honestly. Like I said, I do want to see some speed. Let's see if we could get it here.
Order submitted.
We get something at 1020. For a price that's stuck in this little range. Honestly, little disappointed that price could be just like, cooling lower, which is not a good sign for sales, honestly. This is not a very good sign. Price can't stop getting lower. Even though we haven't closed, but in my opinion, we should not need this many candles in the body right now.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Yeah, that's it for me. It's been a rough morning session.
Hearing like closes about this. Now I might be in trouble. Yes, failing, so it's kind of.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
Man, today was a rough day. Can't even lie. Even though I had profits, it's just a terrible day for me. Terrible. Yeah, I might call it quits for the week. I need to work on myself more. Yeah.